What legal protections exist against employee wage exploitation? Imagine working hard all week and not getting paid what you deserve. It's a frustrating situation many employees face, but there are laws in place to protect you. Let's explore what legal protections exist to prevent wage exploitation. First, the main federal law is called the Fair Labor Standards Act. This law sets the minimum amount employers must pay employees and requires overtime pay for hours worked over 40 in a week. Employers must pay at least the federal minimum wage, which is currently set at a specific rate, and overtime must be paid at 1.5 times the regular rate. The law also makes sure employers keep accurate records of hours worked and wages paid. Many states and local governments have their own wage laws that go beyond federal rules. Some states have higher minimum wages, stricter overtime rules, or additional benefits. These laws help protect workers even more from wage theft or unfair pay practices. Wage theft is when employers don't pay for all hours worked, requiring workers to work off the clock or make illegal deductions from pay. It also includes misclassifying employees to avoid paying overtime. These acts are illegal, and many states have laws that criminalize wage theft. Employers caught doing this can face fines or even criminal charges. Enforcement of these laws is handled by government agencies like the Department of Labor's Wage and Hour Division. They investigate complaints about wage violations and can order employers to pay back wages owed. Employees can also file lawsuits if they are not paid correctly. These lawsuits can recover unpaid wages, damages, and sometimes penalties. In serious cases, criminal prosecutors can bring charges against employers for wage theft, which can lead to fines or jail time. Employees are protected from retaliation if they report wage violations or participate in investigations. Laws prevent employers from firing, demoting, or harassing workers for asserting their rights. This encourages workers to speak up without fear of losing their jobs. Other federal laws also support wage protections indirectly. For example, laws that limit wage garnishments or prohibit discrimination help ensure fair treatment at work. Employers should keep clear records of hours and wages, pay workers correctly, and follow all wage laws. Employees should track their hours, understand their rights, and seek legal advice if they suspect wage exploitation. These legal protections create a system that makes sure workers are paid fairly and employers follow the law. When violations happen, enforcement mechanisms step in to address the issues. This helps maintain fairness and accountability in the workplace.